Hi everyone. We are on the bus going into town. We're going to do Primark. The bus isn't moving, by the way. It does move.
It's got wheels.
It has got wheels. We pushed it up and got on the park and ride. And this bosh. This bosh.
Driven in park.
This bosh is really posh. This bus is really posh. You have leather. It talks to you.
Charging.
So, what's our plans? We're going to go to Primark.
Alright.
God, we're skidding. It is so much. It is getting better. We're going to go to Primark, Primarly, bookshop. I'm looking at you. You're not looking at me.
Yeah.
I'm going to go to Waterstones. There's another bookshop. And it's got aircon. There's another bookshop we're going to go to as well.
What's that actually called?
I can't remember what it's called. We'll find out what it's called. We'll let you know. It's really good. And we're going to have a fun little girly day. I probably won't even put this in my vlog. Oh my god. So yeah, I'll show you some of the sights on the way, because this goes a really good way, because it is actually a metro bus. So it's like being on...
a bus spotter.
I'm not a bus spotter. It's like being on Thunder Mountain at some points in Disney. Because it goes over these wild bridges and stuff. And I'll show you some of the sights of Bristol. Enjoy!
I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I can find, instead of always being on the grind. I need a new purpose. I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching. You're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I can go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape.
We made it.
We saw a dead man on a bus.
We saw a dead man on the bus stop. I don't think he was dead. I think he was just a bit intoxicated. I don't know if you can actually hear me. Oh. So we're just going to nip to this little wool shop. I will video inside. We're currently in Waterstones and Megan's getting all excited. Oh my god, I need to change the thing because you're like, there we go. Over all the movement and stuff, look. These little carrots. A mug. And I really want a flower press. I don't know, my mum's probably still got mine actually. It's probably upstairs in her loft somewhere. But I really want a flower press. This is my favourite section of Waterstones, like the beautiful penguin. Sorry, that was a bit in your face. Cloth bound editions. I love them. You can often get them in Home Sense or TK Maxx. Cheaper, but like... And there's this lady on TikTok, I'll see if I can find her, who turns paperbacks into penguin cloth bangs, and they're just beautiful. Take yours. Megan's desperate. So we got 2 chai lattes. We're in Waterstones, so we got 2 chai lattes, and we got a Marmite cheese and chai scone. I'm a scone girl, not a scone girl, so we thought we'd give it a try.
What scone girl?
I've got to see a reaction.
Interesting.
Can you taste the Marmite?
A bit.
Out of 10. So we have completed our shopping trip. We didn't actually buy any books, which is like a miracle. Megan was restricting herself to 1 book, but she didn't buy any. Went into Primark. It was hell on earth because the teachers are on strike today. So it's for the kids. I didn't buy anything. Well, I did buy some lashes for me and some lash glue, and some stuff for our little Lily. And that's about it. So now it's home time on the posh bus. I'll see if I can catch her talking because she's very fancy. Megan contemplating life. On a side note, while the bus isn't moving, Megan is nervously waiting for 3 o'clock because she's entered the ballot for Taylor Swift tickets. So she's a bag of nerves because she wants a Tay-Tay ticket.
Next stop, the centre.
Next stop, the centre. I love a talking bus.
I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace.
So I am back from my little shopping trip. Had a lovely day. Yeah, it was really good. Highly recommend the Metro bus. It's because normally the bus we have to get on, if I get it from my house, is just the worst bus ever. And I just recently discovered the Metro bus, even though the Metro bus park and ride, even though it's been there forever, I've never used it, and I got on it the other month and I'm just like sold now on the park and ride. But I just thought I would show you my little Primark haul. I didn't get anything for me. Sorry, it might be a bit noisy. I spent in Primark a grand total of £23 and 10p. The most expensive item I got was my lash glue. So let's do a little haul. Not that exciting. So I got some nails, stick-on nails. I do gel, I do myself. I used to be a beauty therapist, so I do my own nails. But sometimes your nails need a rest from the gel. So I got some stick-on nails because I've got loads of YouTube videos planned, and if I'm doing a rest on my nails, believe me, people will comment on the state of your nails and the state of your hands. I had it during the height of COVID where people were like, oh my god, what's happened to your hands? It's called washing them multiple times. So I got some fake nails just to whack on. Yeah, for that reason. I got some lash glue. This is a Duo. It's a really good brand. You can get it in Primark, you can get it elsewhere. This was a £5. It is expensive, but it does the job and it stays on. I got some lashes. I got loads, but I just needed some new ones. The other ones need binning. These were these are the natural ones. I don't like the ones that make you look like a cow, because trust me, they are some ridiculous lashes. That's just my personal opinion, don't come for me, but just look absolutely daft. I'm a natural kind of gal. So I've got these. I've got random bath bomb for one of my patients at work because he wanted a bath bomb and they were £1.30. They had some bath bombs in Lush. I'm not joking, they were £14. I was like, no. little £1.30 bath bomb just to cheer him up. And clothes wise, this is all for Lily, my granddaughter. So I got her this little t-shirt with some flowers on. This was £1.50. I got her the cutest little tracky bottoms just because sometimes it gets a bit chilly. These were £3. How blooming adorable. Like Megan said, she wants tracksuit bottoms like these in adult sizes. Why can't they make them in adult sizes? These again were £3. Super cute, super cozy in case it gets chilly. And this pièce de résistance is the cutest little swimsuit ever because I've got her a paddling pool for my garden. She stays with me on a Sunday and I have her at Sunday night on a Monday. The cutest. It's blinking adorable little swimsuit. So that is all I spent. £23 and £8 in Waterstones, best place ever, on drinks and a scone. So that has been my day. It's been really lovely just to do something that I wouldn't normally do. So I've now reduced my hours. This is the first week where I've reduced my hours at work to 22.5 hours, which is 3 shifts a week. But this week I'm only working 2 shifts because I was so over my hours. So they've only given me 2 shifts because they owe me loads of time. Shocker. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that little vlog. I know it's completely different to what I normally do, but I'm going to try and do like a crochet one and then just like a little hangout just to mix it up every now and again, you know? And now I've got time, I can do it. So yeah, hope to see you all soon. Take care. Happy crocheting.